It is the biggest talking point in local sports right now. National football coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore refused entry to his hometown Montego Bay Sports Complex by a security guard because he did not have the requisite tickets and or accreditation. And this is after Tapper drove a JFF marked vehicle up to the VIP entrance of the complex to watch some Flow Super Cup football. And the whole opinion split right down the middle, like PNP and JLP. Some people take Tapper side and some people take the security side. The Maverick takes the side of reason and common sense. I think Coach Whitmore was wrong to put himself and the security guard in this position. Tapper should never assume that every security guard knows who Tapper Whitmore is and will exercise the discretion to let him into any venue. The simple and professional thing to do was to call someone in authority and inform them that as national coach, I will be coming to watch the Super Cup doubleheader and I will have 3 guests, etc., etc. One quick phone call, one quick conversation. Arrangement made, no argument, and no embarrassment with no security guard. A security guard who, by the way, is following his directives and doing his job. And look, don't get it twisted. The national coach should have access to all football being played anywhere in Jamaica. But until a protocol is set up where the national coaching staff and the national players and the management, etc., should be allowed access to all JFF sanctioned activities, until that is formally put in place, Tapper Whitmore or any other national coach, if they turn up at matches and venues without prior arrangements and without warning, they run the risk of being embarrassed by button lick. And